Okay.
This is humiliating.
Oh, she's doing good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
She's gonna turn it completely around.
We gotta flip it now.
Oh, honey.
Her first experience with clothes. She is so cute.
Fix your leg.
She's so cute.
She did get a little.
She didn't get out of there.
Yeah, it's just a little big
It
on
is
her.
a little big, and this is extra, extra small.
There we go. She says, I'm so cute with my little
Oh,
sweater.
you're cute.
My little sweater with the hood.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Come here, I don't think we can do that to that poor little thing.
Oh, I don't think she cares. Honestly, she don't care. She's a happy girl.
Okay, I'm getting out of here.
Oh,
You play with your mom.
oh, honey. You're so sweet. Yes, you know Victor, don't you?
She
Yeah.
says, it's all love. You can dress me up if you want.
Can't get enough
She's
of
gonna
that.
go home.
Where are you?
Hello. I mean, hello.
Where did you go?
Oh, Candy, I don't believe it. You look so cute. Oh, baby. Baby, when you shake it turns.
Oh, there she is.
Oh,
There she is.
oh,
She's quite the princess already. Oh, she don't mind, Mama. You can dress her up.
I don't know about this. Look at you, honey. You're padded at least.
Yeah, there she go.
Just
When she
roll.
falls over, she's all nice and padded.
Just keep rolling.
That is a cute, cute outfit.
Oh. Yes, a Walmart green light.
Careful Want me to get you out of there? See?
Daddy would rescue you, wouldn't he?
Oh, the front feet keep going through.
Oh, okay.
Woo!
Honey,
Oh my goodness.
we can sew those holes up.
Keep it up.
Yeah, we can sew. Oh, honey.
Yeah, actually, if you just altered the leg holes just a little bit, she just come right out of there like a little sausage.
Would you like to chew on that?
Probably would.
Yes.
And she
We
don't
can't flip
mind.
that. We have Lily here. We used to put a sweater on her, and all the other dogs wanted it.
It was the undress Lily game.
Yeah, they grab her and start dragging around the house by her sweater, so
Yeah.
it didn't last a minute.
No kidding.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at her. You grab it and shake it.
I'm
Ah.
gonna kill this thing that's defiling me.
Don't never put that on me again.
Hey,
Oh, that's funny. There's the brother. There's brother.
Blame ya.
Oh, there's brother.
Daddy
There
said
him
you don't
is.
dress up girl.
Looking all pretty. He's getting lots more chocolate spots on him too.
Oh, bring it over here. Yeah, I'll take care of that thing for you. Oh, you betcha. You got sharp teeth like a little fella.
Yeah.
Good thing we did his nails.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they're just a little sharp. So,
Just a chunk of it. You're a little
There
girl.
you go.
isn't he a sweetie?
There you go. And we threw it over the side, didn't we?
Get to go bye-bye real soon.
Yeah. See his new mommy and daddy.
Oh, yes. We didn't have any stewardesses with puppies.
You're going to enjoy the airport experience, probably.
Yeah. Oh, our transporters are always just extremely safe with our babies. We enjoy sending them that way. They just arrive so happy, and it's a great adventure, and they just have somebody with them all the time, you know, to take care of them.
Look at your spots coming up everywhere.
I know.
Little friend. All of your paws.
He looks like a spotted spaniel or something with all of those.
And your eyes are beautiful.
Are you being careful?
You're being very calm.
Yeah. He likes the
I noticed
loving.
that too.
Very
He likes the loving. And then you put him down and he'll just be
You beat your brother up.
happy little maniac again. There you go. Doo-doo-doo.
Unless she's going to get darker, she's just a little more blonde.
Oh, all that baby fuzz is going to go away. Then she'll be so beautiful. She's beautiful now, but she'll continue to change.
baby fuss is gonna go away?
Mm-hmm. Yep. And she'll look like, well, you have a hard time convincing anybody that she's a long-haired dog.
Yeah, right.
And then about by a year and a half, 2 years old, she'll have all of her big girl hair and the nice cascading tail and all her foo-foo hair.
Yeah,
Yeah.